The first step in downloading and installing the Dulux Color Atlas Revit plugin is to choose the appropriate version for your system. After selecting and downloading the correct version for your computer, you may receive a warning due to the file type being executable. Don't be alarmed, but make sure you select Keep, not Discard via your desired web browser. Once downloaded, double-click on the installer package to begin the installing process. Accept the Dulux Color Atlas Revit plugin terms and conditions. If you pick either typical or complete installations, the installer will recognize and install the appropriate version or versions of the plugin. If you have both 2013 and 2014 versions of Revit on your system, it will install both. If you have one or the other, it will install accordingly. If you select Custom Setup, the window will allow you to select which version of the Revit plugin you would like to install and where you would like to install it. Click Install and wait for the plugin to complete installing. The Dulux Color Atlas Revit plugin is now installed and ready for use.